These funny looking rods are called eld rods or copper eld rods. These are made with pure copper, and these are also called dowsing rods, if you've heard of it. And these are used just like the pendulum to ask questions and find answers, especially used in ancient times to find groundwater and other minerals in the earth. They're also used very, very popularly by a lot of pagan and Wiccan cultures to find ley lines and vortex points of the earth. And it's a very simple tool to use. I'm going to show you how to use this, and maybe you can buy yourself a pair and ask questions. So let's go. So I use these tools by holding them very lightly in my hand so that I don't influence the way they move. And then I start by asking yes or no questions. So I ask, please show me what is yes for you. See how they're moving? This is a yes. All right, very good. Can you please show me what is no for you? Wow. All right. So if you see, my hands are not moving at all. Thank you so much. Please come back. All right. And they come back to their original position, which is either parallel or they keep swaying about a little bit. But there's more to this. And I want to ask a few questions because we're all psychic beings and we're channeling so much information. Interested? Follow me for more.